the most JDM thing you can do to a car is right there. So stay tuned to this episode how to make this JDM motor swapped. WRX MORE JDM. Alright guys, LS swap, WRX, JDM swap, whole bunch of junk. You see the remodel, we're taking the roof way back up and making us more space and taking out some of these walls. And so I've been working a lot in here. You got this whole old salon gone, all this counter junk gone right here. And open up and clean out the front up there. And we just got storage and stuff for now. And just working on, like I said, getting the roof back up to that point right there. So the garage will be much bigger. We'll have all this space. All the space back here to work with and to be building stuff. So I'm pretty pumped. Just working on getting all this stuff going. Alright guys, I have plates. It's registered. It's good to go. So we can start driving it more. So there's a few things I want to do to the car to fix it up. Redo the headlights. Start working on some wide body stuff. Do some body work on it. Fix a few things. Put a lip on it. And then start driving it just to make sure I got all the kinks and everything worked out. So it's reliable and that's great. But today, we're making this car more JDM than you have ever thought. Electric super horns. I don't know what it is. I keep looking at all these pictures and all the Subarus have super horns. So our WRX deserves super horns because we're JDM like that, yo. There we have it. High tone, low tone, I don't know, super horns. And they're black and red, kind of STI style. As you can see, the intakes and different things we have are red as well under the hood and black. So we're kind of going with the STI color theme. eBay, who knows how much they were. 15 bucks or something, 12. Let's see here. This is literally all I have, I guess. 2 horns. They do have a bracket. There you go. And that's the same. And it looks like there's plugs. But I know there's plugs on the factory horns too. So we'll see what we got to do to wire up some JDM super horns to fit on these plugs here. Okay, here's what we're looking at. That bolt there is where I want to put them. Looks like there's a factory horn here and one right there. So I want to take them off, kind of see what kind of hardware we have going on with those, and see if we can figure out a way to mount these and to wire these. Because I'm assuming one's just power in, and then the other ones are just a ground. Put a ground wire to the frame somewhere. So we'll see how it goes for real though. Take these off to see what we got. So here's this one. The bracket looks the same. This one has one of the points on there that look kind of to be the same size. But this one has 2, this one has 1. So do I really need to ground it out? Or is this a way to transfer power from another one? because there is another plug down there for that one, so I want to unplug it. There's a random horn back there, I think. So I'm gonna unplug that one too, and then plug one of these in. Okay, so I plugged it in on just one side, leaning against the frame, unplugged all the other horns. Let's see if it makes enough ground to work, or if I have to plug a ground into it and wire it down. Okay, let's put a little piece of wire on the back of this one, on this other hole, and touch it to the frame, see if it has to be grounded. It must be a grounding issue. So let me work on attaching one and making sure it's grounded, and then connect it over here somewhere and see if we can make it work. Alright, here's test run 1. So I might have to put something in the center to space those out a little bit and move them back a hair. Piece of metal or something. We'll see. But I got one of them wired and grounded where the bolt is, and then the one plugged in. So let's see if the horn works. Well, there you go. We are super horned. Look how JDM that is. So let me see if I can make it look better, get some stuff in better places, and be able to fit behind the grill better than that. So let me mess around here, see what we can do, and we'll go from there. So I found this random bolt that fits this random thread right there. So I'm going to give that a whirl. See if I can put in a washer that can hold it all together. And then we'll be tooting right along. Well, there we have it. We're 100% JDM, guys. Look at that. Looking good. Let's see if it works. I kind of got them leveled up. They're kind of spaced the same apart. Let's see if they actually honk. Well, one of them sounds like it. Super horns. There you go. Electric super horns. Can't go wrong. Oh yeah. Boom, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah, JDM, bro. The most JDM we can be right there. Killing it. Got my super horns in. There it is, guys. What do you think? Was it worth? Let me go look at $12. Or was it not worth $12? Put it in the comments below. Alright guys, there you have it. The install of the super horn. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Again, I appreciate everyone from last year. We're kicking off 2018 in a good way. We got an LS swap working on that behind us right now. Been working on the old Subaru. We got a couple other projects coming up down the pipelines. Hopefully we'll get into more boosting and performance stuff with that. So stay tuned for what's to come. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. Appreciate all the support lately. I've been getting a lot of people subscribing and contacting me for information and wanting help on things, and I'm more than happy to help you out. I try to get back with you as soon as I can, and just be patient with me if I forget about you or it takes me a minute to get a hold of you. And so again, we got the new website up, wotgarage.com. I got the Facebook page and Instagram started. So we got the social medias going, and just working on continuing getting everything else together. Got our logo together for the most part, and I'm pretty stoked for what's happening. Hope you have some big goals for you this year. Let me know what some of those goals are in the comments below and what you guys plan on doing with your vehicles. Till next time.